Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got my mom again on my YouTube channel. We'll be doing a glam look on her. If you guys haven't watched the other video that I've actually did a makeover on my mom, I will put the link down the description box below, or I can actually put it on somewhere on the screen. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So are you ready for this, Mom?
Yes.
Giving you a glam look?
Yes.
Yes. I just wanted to find out how I make over my mom and making her look glamorous in today's video. Please keep on watching. Cleansing my mom's face in the Nivea Micellair Skin Breathe, and then I'll be using the Olay Mist, the Ultimate Hydration Essence, and I'm gonna be spraying this all over her face. Pearlessence Lip and Contour Eye Serum, and I've actually purchased this from TK Maxx. Having this under her eyes. First, I'll be using the Tarte Drink of H2O, the Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, and I'm using the Morphe M27 brush to apply the moisturizer. Okay, with the eye primer, I'll be using the matte Prep+Prime, using the Morphe M224, and I'll be applying the primer all over our eyelid. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. In the Morphe M441, I'll be setting our primer using the shade here. Shade here, guys, burnt orange. And I'll just be applying this above her crease. The Morphe E17 shade Sienna. I'll be concentrating more on the edge or on her outer corner of her eye. She actually requested to do a cut crease on her eyes today. I'm just gonna cut her crease using a concealer, and using the brush Morphe M432. So I'll just be using this glistering shade. Going back with that Sienna shade. And then I'm gonna be using the Cyrus Amber, which is like a chocolate shade. I'm just gonna be and using a smaller blending brush. It's still a Morphe brush, but I haven't got the number. So we're just gonna dip it in her crease. I like to apply a metallic shade, which is the Australis Metallics eyeshadow in the Guns N' Roses petals. I decided to put that over that glistering shimmery shade to find more of that cut crease. Using the Maybelline Masterliner in black. The Morphe eyebrow pencil in the shade Mocha. Applying a Pawpaw ointment on her lips. Be using the Sephora Amplifier. Be using the same brush I've applied with the moisturizer earlier, which is the Morphe M27. The foundation, I'll be using the Georgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I'm using it in the shade 5.9. Concealer, be using the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Radiant Concealer. I've actually set my mom's under eye using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm actually setting this also on her T-zone area. A Morphe brush, guys. I actually setting her whole face. This is still available, guys, but I'll be using this Urban Decay Scene Afterglow palette, the highlighter and blush palette. So this is actually a very, very beautiful palette. So I'll be combining the Paranoid and the PSA. So the Paranoid is a matte shade, and the PSA's got a little bit of sheen to it, so I'll be using that to bronze her face. And I'll be using that same brush that I used in setting her face, lightly contouring her nose. For the highlight, I'll be using the Morphe R36. And I'm just going to be using this shade here called Sin. Just going to be applying this on the higher points of her cheek and just above her eyebrows. This is so pigmented. And on her bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow. Using the brush Morphe M104, using the shade here called Kiss Off. So it's like a light matte pink shade. For waterline, I'll be applying the Maybelline Master Drama, the nudes. This is actually going to help her open up her eyes. Shade here, guys. It's like a light brown color. I'll be applying this on her lower lashes. Lower lashes, I've added the North shade, which is the black shade. And then on her inner corner, so I'll be applying this shade here, the glistering shade. A mascara using the Australia Skinny Mini on her lower lashes. Lips, I'll be using the Model's Rock matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Pretty Kitty. Liquid lipstick, so I'll be applying a little bit of the Rimmel Oh My Gloss in clear. So I'm just gonna be applying this in the middle. Her makeup using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray, and this is in the watermelon fragrance. So I've decided to add a little bit of color on her cheek, because on the camera I actually doesn't pick up the color. So I'm using the e.l.f. This is the blush palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade here, guys. It's like a baby pink shade, and it's a matte shade. It actually looks very, very nice in person, but it's just for the camera. I just don't like her face to look flat. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Did you enjoy today's makeup one? Because
yes.
It just took us a while because you know, my mom's a bit ticklish when I'm applying anything on her eyes, especially, you know, on the inner rim. Yeah, but we actually managed to get this done for you guys. What can you say about your makeup look today, Mom?
It was really amazing.
Wow.
to look your face from the start, before and the after impact of how my daughter applied it to me, despite of my being impatient again.
Yeah.
So it's really amazing and looks me beautiful.
Yeah. Enhance her beauty today, guys, and she can see exactly it does make a big difference, you know, with makeup. And also she's actually wearing a wig today, so you guys probably be thinking like, oh, what happened to her hair? So she's actually wearing her favorite wig today. So much, Mom, for joining me again in my in today's video. Comment down below also if you wanted to see my mom more on my future videos, and you know, and let me know what sort of makeup look you wanted me to do on her. And all the products that I've used today, guys, I will put them all down the description box below. And shout out to Mom's friend, what's her name? Yeah, that's your friend. Yeah.
Yeah, my sister at the charts.
Yeah, so she's already subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much, Ariane. Comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like, yeah, and don't forget to share this video, guys, to your friends and family. Guys, in my next video. Love you guys.
Love you.